Now I want to tell you about the signs of the different trigonometric ratios and different quadrants. This is the first quadrant having the angles between 0 and 90. Here we use a very popular method A S T C, which is known as after school to college. So after A, that's mean all. So in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric results are positive. In the first quadrant, all the trigonometric results are to be taken as the positive, whether it is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. If these trigonometric values attains the value between 0 and 90, then answer will have to be positive. If we land in the second quadrant where the angles are between 90 degree and 180 degree, angles are between 90 degree and 180 degree, what we say in the second quadrant after school, S we have taken from sine. Here only and only two values are positive. One is the sine and other is its reciprocal, that is the cosec. So sine and cosec, two trigonometric ratios are positive in second quadrant. All remaining four trigonometric values for the angles between 90 and 180 are negative. The third one is, that is 180 and 270. What question comes here? Nothing. If angles is between 180 and 270, quadrant is third, and AST, T we can relate to the trigonometry's ratios of the tan. So here in this quadrant, only tan and its reciprocal, that is cot. The values of the tan and cot are positive for the angles between 180 and 270. All remaining trigonometric ratios for the angles between 180 and 270 are negative. Come for the quadrant number 4. For the fourth quadrant, angles lies between 270 and 360. ASTC. If I relate the C to the trigonometric ratio cos. So in this quadrant, only and only cos and its reciprocal, that is the sec. These two are positive. All remaining trigonometric ratios for the angles between are to be taken as negative. So ASTC is a rule to remember that in which quadrant which trigonometric values are positive and which are negative. First quadrant 0 to 90. Between 0 and 90 all positive. Second quadrant between 90 and 180 only sine and cosec positive, remaining are negative. For third quadrant tan and cot are positive, all remaining are negative. And between 270 and 360 cos and sec are positive, all remaining are negative. Now I will tell you why these some are positive and some are negative.